Hi, this is Kendra from Pencil and Pigment, and today I'm doing my Draw With Me video. So grab a sketchbook, we are going to draw together. I did a wash last night. It's sort of a grayish purple, it's really pretty. And I'm trying to match it up. I have several purple pens. So the first one is the Pilot G2, the second one is the Purple Micron, and the palest one is the Copic Multiliner in lavender. And this is the one I think I'm going to use for drawing. I'm just going to lean into the purple. I could do like a warm gray, but I think it's going to be really, really pale, and I haven't really done a purple spread. So that is the thought process behind what it is I think I'm doing. So I'm going to draw a swallow, which is a beautiful bird. Oh, and you can see that a little bit. Okay, good. And we are off and running. I have to tell you that I am currently on Theraflu. I am getting sick, but I still draw every day, even because it just makes me feel good. So as long as I'm drawing every day, then I know I'm treating myself right. So I was going to draw today anyways. I might as well just keep with the plan to do a draw with me. I'm not really pushing anything. I'm just kind of sitting here relaxing. So don't worry, I'm not overdoing or anything. But yes, not feeling 100%. Kind of feeling less than. Which I haven't been sick in a while, so that lets me know that my eating good and exercising and stuff is paying off. So I clipped my nails. I forgot to mention that I did clip my nails. I am currently teaching both our twins. Our twins are 11 and we're homeschooling, and they both wanted to learn piano. So it is really hard to teach piano while you're sort of clacking away on the nail. It just doesn't sound good or feel good, and it's really distracting. So they got the clip all in the name of education. I'm just working on individual sort of feather sections for the wings, and this is my sketch timber. So that is the drawing challenge I am doing while I draw all of these. And this has been pretty fun. This is such a unique project with adding stickers, and some pages have like little vellum pockets that hold memorabilia or my little journal entry for the day. Sometimes I write my journal entry on top of the illustration and everything. So anyway, I'm gonna have some depth of field here. Some darker bits and lighter bits. That's what we'll call them. Anyways, I don't use my Copic multiliners as much as I should. They're a very different hue range than the microns, but I am so comfortable with microns. They're like a security blanket. I've been using them for so many decades. But this is just a gentler purple. It's lighter. And while I want my illustrations to stand out, I don't want them to be the sole focus, since I am adding text and I'm adding a bunch of other elements. It's just a lot. It's directing your eye all around the page. There's just a lot going on with this drawing challenge, which I had no idea that cutting stickers would take so long. So on average, these double spreads take me anywhere from 2 hours to 3 hours. It's not quick. This is a little bit bigger than an A6 for size reference. So, in case you were wondering what that's all about, these are the Kokio. I'll link all the products in the description box in case you're curious. Anyway. Oh my goodness, our cats are so active right now. Oh, so how is your September going? Are you drawing? Are you participating in Sketchtember this year? Sketchtember is always one of my favorite drawing challenges because it's such a great opportunity to work on weaknesses and ideas and brainstorming, and it's just nice. It's like a low pressure, it doesn't have to be perfect, you're just sketching and drawing and doing your things. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. And I may put a face in here at some point, which most of this probably isn't going to be on camera just because I don't have time. My battery only holds so much. But next year I plan into delving into the world of video editing, and I don't know, sometimes I enjoy a good time lapse and sometimes I really enjoy seeing things in real time. It gives me like a really realistic expectation of how long an idea or element or painting and things take, and I like that aspect of it. So, to each their own. Anyway, do you have plans for October? I know October is so huge. That's such a big drawing creating month. I'm going to be talking about my plans tomorrow's video. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. I'm hoping to feel way, way better. Drink lots of fluids, get lots of sleep. I'm rooting for me. You can do it and not catch a cold. Anyway. There's my swallow. Mid-flight. Living their best life. Which everyone should be doing. Let's see. Yeah, that's looking alright. I think I killed one of my pens yesterday. I have to pre-paint the background and then let it dry for quite a few hours, because if I try and draw on paper that I've watercolored and it's not dry all the way, the pen immediately dies and gets gummed up. And I think that was happening a little bit yesterday. So I kind of killed one of my pens. I'm having trouble bringing it back to life. So that's kind of on me. And then the other thing I've learned with this paper is it can't handle tons and tons of washes, especially if there is painting on the opposing side. I don't know if you can see this, but it has a gold sheen, and then I wrote on it with gold. So what I've been doing is I've been mixing a huge well of what the color I want, so it's olive green and tons of gold, and then I just do one wash, because otherwise it bleeds through on this side. And I'm not interested in the bleeding. I want to keep everything to the color theme that I desire. So, to be real careful. It's one pre-mixed coat of paint now. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.